Me out here is my basic moral outrage.
Outrage over masking protocols that were dropped in BC in April. A Do Not Harm BC protest was held outside the office of Adrian Dix, BC's health minister, calling on the provincial government to reinstate mandatory masking in healthcare settings.
I have many patients who are extremely medically vulnerable, having to decide, should I go into the hospital or not to receive care, knowing that I'm now going to also have to be exposed potentially to getting a virus, which may then very significantly impact my health.
Kaylee Jameson, who suffers from long COVID, is among those who are medically vulnerable.
I'm your typical young person that was previously healthy before getting infected, and then I got one mild infection of Omicron back in December 2021, and now I have long COVID, and it's been over 20 months, and I've had to leave my 2 jobs. I used to be a master's student at SFU. My entire life has completely changed. I can no longer exercise.
The BC government says in most healthcare settings, wearing a mask is a personal choice and not mandated. However, in some cases, you must wear a mask when requested by a healthcare professional. And the rally did have some tense moments. It was here during opening remarks when counter-protesters showed up holding their own signs, attempting to interrupt the speech, leading to a physical fight between demonstrators from both sides.
I've never worn a mask, and I will continue to not wear a mask because I think it's still legal.
The rally wasn't just about masking, it was also a call to action for better access to indoor ventilation and vaccines.
It would be great to see more access to boosters and Paxlovid.
School's about to re-enter. There's a COVID surge happening. We know that flu and RSV are on their way. So we're back to another triple-demic, just like we were last year, except for now it's going to be much worse because healthcare is on its knees and people are unprotected by vaccines and not wearing any masks.
City News reached out to the health minister's office for comment, but did not receive a reply in time for broadcast. In Vancouver, Kate Walker, City News.